So in this video, I want to talk about functions in Python. So I'll do that by just writing a function. The function I want to write is a function that takes a list and returns the sum of all the elements in the list. So I'll call it sum list, like this, and it'll go over the elements in a second. So here I'll say return the sum of the elements of the list L, like so. So this is called a docstring. So it's enclosed in triple ticks, like so. It's basically ignored by Python. I say basically because there's a subtlety there, but as far as you're concerned, it's ignored by Python. It's like a comment, but the convention is that you would have a docstring. By convention, this would be a verb in the imperative that says what the function does and should mention kind of the parameters. So L is a parameter. This would be the name of the function. This would be def. The parameters are enclosed in parentheses. The colon is mandatory, just like with if statements and for loops and stuff like that. And the body of the function is indented. So that's how you know that this is the body of the function. Something that would be over here would not be the body of the function. So let's just quickly write it. So I'll just go for E in L, so at the same level as this. And I would remember to say s equals 0, and then I'll say s plus equals e, and I'll return s. So this would be the function. If I wanted to use it, what I would do is I would say something like my list, so like my L or something, so maybe it's like 3, 4, 5. So a list with 3 elements, and then I'd say, print. And in here, I'll say sum list my L, like so. So what's going on here? So this my L is going to get sent here, right? So L has now the same value as my L, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going here, set S to 0. So for E and L, L remember is 3, 4, 5. And S is 3, and then it's 7, and then it's 12, 7 plus 5. And at the end, it says return S. So by convention, you could put parentheses there if that's what you're used to, but in Python, the convention is to not have parentheses. And this value S, this expression here takes this value, right? So whatever S is gets sent here. So it's as if you had said print 12, because S at this point is 12. So you'll get 12 as the output. Okay. So whatever the value here after the return, that's what gets assigned as the value for this expression. And then, well, whatever you do with this expression, maybe you print it, maybe you assign it to a variable, that's going to be the value of the expression. So, okay. So the next thing I want to do is write a function that's a little bit more complicated. So I'll actually do it in the next video.